This is FINIX, a high chair designed for children and stylish interiors. It'll delight you with its design and quality of finishes in all forms. FINIX accompanies us every day, ensuring comfort and safety, elegantly and with great taste. It also has a wide tray, which can be adjusted to my child. And thanks to the removable insert, it's easy to clean. FINIX looks great in any interior. This high chair is lightweight. I can easily move it wherever I like. When my little one gets a little older, I can adjust the height of the footrest without any tools. And in a few years, FINIX will convert into a stylish chair. Check it out for yourself.
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.